Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a process that's absolutely essential for anyone running an online store using Wix Studio: how to import products to your store quickly and efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence and know-how to upload hundreds or even thousands of products at once, saving yourself tons of manual typing and headaches. Let's get right into it. First, start by heading over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is your control center, where all the magic happens behind the scenes for your website. If you're already logged in, great. If not, take a quick moment to sign into your Wix account. Once you're there, you'll notice a navigation menu, and you want to look for the My Business section. Clicking on My Business brings up all the tools and features Wix offers to businesses, but for today, we're focusing specifically on your online store. Now, within the Wix store area, search for the option that says Manage Products. Think of this section as your product inventory shelf. It's where you control what's available in your store, update details, and keep everything organized and up to date. Once you're inside the Manage Products panel, take a look for a button or menu option labeled More Actions. It might be tucked away in the corner or under a little drop-down. Wix likes to keep things neat, so don't worry if it's not immediately obvious. Once you find it, click on Import. This is where the behind-the-scenes part begins, so let's slow down and talk through it. Importing products is all about working with a CSV file. CSV stands for comma-separated values. It's basically a spreadsheet that lists out all your products and their details in a format Wix can understand. Now, if you already have a CSV file prepared from a supplier or another store, that's great. You can go ahead and provide that file here. But if you're unsure about how the template should look or you don't want to risk missing crucial fields, Wix has you covered. Just click Download Template. Wix will give you a sample CSV file, formatted perfectly for their system, so you know exactly how to lay out your product information. Open up the template in something like Google Sheets or Excel, and start editing. Add your product names, descriptions, prices, images, SKUs, whatever you need. Take your time here and double-check things. A little extra care now can save you hours fixing mistakes later. If you're feeling overwhelmed by columns and rows, just remember, each line equals one product, and each column is a different detail, kind of like filling out a big library card catalog. Once you've edited your CSV and you're sure everything looks tidy, head back to Wix and upload the file using the Import option. The platform will process your file, and you might have to wait a moment depending on how many products you're uploading. Don't worry if it takes a few minutes, especially if you have a large catalog. If Wix spots any issues or missing information in your file, it'll let you know so you can make quick corrections. And that's it. Your products will soon appear in your online store, ready for customers to browse and buy. It's really that simple once you know the steps, and this process can make product management a breeze as your store grows. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, and be sure to leave any questions in the comments below. I love helping out and will reply as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Wix tips and web tutorials just like this. See you in the next video.